Welcome to Sketch Zone, the ultimate space where your pencil meets paper to create magic. Today, we're tackling the intricate art of drawing a two-ramp staircase in two-point perspective. Grab your mechanical pencil and let's add a new dimension to your sketches. Start with a clean sheet and a sharp mechanical pencil. Draw a straight horizon line across the paper to anchor your work. Mark two vanishing points on the horizon line. These points will guide the direction of your staircase and ensure it looks realistic. Lightly sketch the staircase's basic shape, extending lines towards the vanishing points to establish its 3D form. Define the steps of your staircase, making sure each one is proportional and aligned with your perspective lines. Review your drawing, add any last-minute details, and sign your masterpiece. Remember, perspective drawing is all about the illusion of depth. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be drawing not just staircases, but entire worlds in perspective. Happy sketching!